What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can watch Beast games in Pakistan. Well, the process of doing that is pretty simple. So, first of all, we'll talk about what the Beast game is. Beast game is actually a TV show, launched by Mr. Beast, where you can see people playing different games and earning money. So, how you can watch it in Pakistan. As we know that Amazon has launched the Prime Video services right there in Pakistan. So what you have to do is you just have to make purchase of the Prime Video, the subscription, and there you go. You'll be able to watch the Beast games right on that platform. So for that, you just have to go to Google, search for Prime Video. Now, once you search for Prime Video, you'll be able to find the Prime Video link. Just go there, log in or create an account, purchase the subscription using your debit or credit card. I would suggest you use your Sada Pay or NaPay because they are very like usable in these terms. I would suggest NaPay. Now, once you have made the purchase of that, what you have to do is you just have to go to Amazon Prime Video, and there you go. You'll be able to watch a lot of movies and a lot of things, including the Beast games as well. Let's go to Beast games, play now, and watch it. So that's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.